Welcome to part 5 of this affiliate marketing series. By now, you've picked a niche, found high-converting products, and built a simple affiliate funnel, but without traffic. Your funnel is just a ghost town. In this video, I'll show you how to get 100 to 500 targeted clicks per day to your affiliate funnel using proven free methods, low-effort automation tools, and real platforms that work in 2025. Let's turn your funnel into a lead-generating, commission-making machine. Paid traffic can work, but it's risky for beginners. Here's why free and automated traffic is better when starting. No ad spend equals zero risk. You build organic trust, which means higher conversions. Evergreen content results in long-term clicks, and automation lets you scale without burning out. We'll focus on strategies that compound over time, not just give you one-time traffic spikes. Here are the 5 channels we'll cover today. YouTube automation with faceless videos, Pinterest SEO, Quora and Reddit answering, Instagram Reels with a bio funnel, and email list plus automation. You don't need to master them all. Pick one or two, stay consistent, and results will come. Why it works. It's the second largest search engine, provides evergreen traffic, has high buyer intent, and works for faceless creators. Content ideas include top 3 ways to make $100 a day from home, ClickBank for beginners 2025, and best side hustles for busy parents. How to do it. Use free tools like Pictory.ai, Canva, or CapCut to create slideshow or AI-generated videos. Post 3 to 4 videos per week and add your funnel link in the description and pinned comment. The goal is for each video to bring in 10 to 50 clicks daily. Compound this over time. Why it works. Pinterest is essentially a visual search engine, which means your content has a long shelf life. It's fantastic for side hustles, work from home opportunities, and business niches. Plus, it's still mostly untapped by affiliate marketers. How to start? First, create a business Pinterest account, then design 5 to 10 pins per product using Canva. Optimize these pins with keywords like make money from home ideas, affiliate funnel template free, and passive income side hustle. Link your pins to your lead magnet or bridge page. Use Tailwind to automate your pinning daily. Just 10 to 20 pins can bring in consistent traffic for months or even years. Why it works. You're answering real questions from people who are actively searching for solutions. This positions you as helpful, not pushy, and there's massive built-in traffic on these platforms. How to start. Create authentic accounts with niche-related bios. Search for questions like, how do I make money online without a website? And best way to earn $100 per day from home? Answer these questions with real value, using 2 to 3 short paragraphs. Link to your free guide or quiz as a solution. Bonus tip. Use ChatGPT to write value-packed answers quickly, but make sure to personalize them. Just 1 to 2 quality answers a day can easily bring in 50 to 200 visitors per month. Why it works. Reels get organic reach even for new accounts. It's a fast way to go viral. Plus, link in bio funnels convert well. Content, strategy post short reels with tips like, this AI tool makes $100 a day. What I'd do if I had to start affiliate marketing from scratch, and 3 websites that pay you daily. Use trending music, text overlays, and strong hooks. Link to a link tree, beacons.ai, or system.io page in your bio. Aim for 1 reel a day and respond to comments. This builds trust quickly. Why it works. You own the traffic. You can send traffic to any product anytime. Emails are warm leads who already know you. How to start. Use Systemy.io or ConvertKit to set up a simple autoresponder. Create a 7-day welcome series. Day 1, free gift delivery. Day 2, your story. Day 3, educational tip plus soft pitch. Day 4 to 7, more value and offer links. Add new products later. It's traffic you don't have to hunt for again. Email 100 people a week and compound that into thousands over time. Here's a realistic daily routine to build up to 500 clicks a day. Daily for 30 to 60 minutes. Post 1 reel or TikTok. Answer 1 Quora or Reddit question. Pin 2 new posts on Pinterest. Email your list every 2 to 3 days. Optionally, upload 1 short YouTube video 3 times a week. Keep doing this for 30 days and track clicks with System.io or Bitly. You'll be shocked how fast it grows. To recap, free and automated traffic works. YouTube, Pinterest, Quora, and Reels are goldmines. Email builds long-term traffic and sales. No budget, no problem. With consistency, your funnel can get clicks every day, even while you sleep. Want my daily content planner and traffic tracker template? Check the link in the description and download the Affiliate Traffic Starter Kit free. Up next, Video 6. How to turn your affiliate system into passive income. Automate, scale, and profit. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the final video. In this chapter, we will explore advanced strategies for leveraging social media platforms to drive traffic to your affiliate links. We'll cover techniques such as using Instagram stories, Facebook groups, and LinkedIn articles to engage with your audience and increase your reach. Stay tuned for actionable tips and real-world examples. First, Instagram stories. These 24-hour snippets allow you to create a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Use polls, questions, and swipe-up links to directly engage your audience and drive them to your affiliate offers. Next, Facebook groups. By creating or joining niche-specific groups, you can build a community around your interests. Share valuable content and subtly introduce your affiliate links within the context of helpful advice or product recommendations. Lastly, LinkedIn articles. This platform is perfect for professional and B2B niches. Writing in-depth articles positions you as an authority, and strategically placing affiliate links within these articles can lead to high-converting traffic. Integrating these advanced social media tactics can amplify your reach and maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Ready to take your strategy to the next level? Keep watching for more expert insights. Welcome back, affiliates. Next, we'll dive into the world of content marketing. Learn how to create compelling blog posts, videos, and infographics that attract and retain your target audience. We'll also discuss the importance of SEO and how to optimize your content for search engines. First up, blog posts. Crafting well-researched, valuable blog posts can establish you as a trusted authority in your niche. Focus on solving problems and answering questions your audience may have. Remember to naturally integrate your affiliate links within the content to maintain reader trust. Next, videos. Video content is highly engaging and can significantly boost your affiliate conversions. Create tutorial videos, product reviews, and how-to guides that address your audience's needs. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are excellent for reaching a broader audience and driving traffic to your affiliate offers. And finally, infographics. These visually appealing pieces of content are perfect for sharing complex information in a digestible format. Use infographics to highlight key points, statistics, and benefits of the products you're promoting. Share them across your social media channels and on your blog to increase visibility. Now let's talk about SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for getting your content noticed. Conduct keyword research to identify the terms your audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, titles, and meta descriptions. Additionally, focus on building high-quality backlinks to improve your site's authority and ranking. By mastering content marketing, you can create a steady stream of organic traffic to your affiliate links, leading to long-term success. Stay tuned for more expert insights and tips to elevate your affiliate marketing game. Welcome back, affiliates. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of analytics and tracking. In the world of affiliate marketing, data is your best friend. Understanding how to use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights can significantly improve your strategy and results. First, let's talk about Google Analytics. This powerful tool allows you to measure your website traffic, track user behavior, and identify which content is driving the most engagement. By analyzing metrics such as page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates, you can make informed decisions to optimize your affiliate campaigns. Next, social media insights. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer built-in analytics that provide valuable information about your audience. You can track metrics like reach, engagement, and click-through rates to understand what type of content resonates most with your followers. Use this data to refine your social media strategy and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Don't forget about affiliate network analytics. Many affiliate programs offer detailed reports on your performance, including clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Regularly reviewing these reports can help you identify trends and adjust your tactics accordingly. By leveraging analytics and tracking tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience, measure the effectiveness of your campaigns, and make data-driven decisions to enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Stay tuned for more expert insights and tips to elevate your affiliate marketing game.